Hello, what's your name?
Sawyer.
And how old are you?
12.
Look at me. How old are you?
4.
And what are you doing?
In the water.
Where? Whoa. Whoa, Goofy. Careful. Don't press your face in the water part. Okay, hold still, hold still. I'm going to give you a little farewell show. Bye, son. Come on over. Don't forget the air mattress, it's floating away. Swim there. Swim. Hey, Sawyer. Sawyer, let's try something. I'm gonna record you underwater. Swim to me.
Okay.
Ready, set, go. Whoa. Say bye, people.
Close your eyes.
Okay, oh, do front roll first. You gotta do front roll. Go.
I'm gonna go way far.
Okay, that's far enough. Go. Come on.
I don't want to do a football.
Okay, swim to me underneath them. Ready? Camera's going under.
Hiya!
You didn't get close enough. I'm gonna try again. Cool. Can you go under and make a face at the camera? Look, go under and go blah, blah, blah. Very cool. Say bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
Bye.